What to do if you receive a legal notice. A step-by-step guide. Receiving a legal notice can be stressful, but it doesn't always mean trouble. A legal notice is a formal communication informing you of a possible legal action, often as a way to resolve disputes without going to court. The key is to respond properly and on time. First, carefully read the notice to understand the sender, case details, and response deadlines. Then, verify its authenticity by checking if it's from a legitimate law office, government agency, or relevant party. If unsure, seek legal advice to avoid scams. Next, understand your rights and responsibilities. A legal notice doesn't necessarily mean you're at fault. You can consult an attorney, request more information, and respond professionally within the given time frame. Consulting lawyers is crucial, as they can explain the legal action, draft a response, and prevent costly mistakes. When drafting your response, use clear and professional language, include relevant facts or proof, and follow any required legal format. Depending on the case, you may need to take further action, such as making a payment, preparing for court, or negotiating a settlement. Keeping records of all communications is essential in case the issue escalates. If you see your name in a newspaper legal notice, follow the same steps. Verify, seek legal help, and respond if necessary. Handling a legal notice properly can protect your rights and prevent bigger legal issues.